Hello friends, I'm in Indio, California, coming to visit the famous chef AJ in her new home. And she's just coming here. This is a little neighborhood. People are still building homes across the street. And here is her home.
Look at the mountains.
See that car in the driveway? Gosh, I wonder whose it is. And look, you can see snow from here. So she's not that far from the cold part of the world. But look, the neighbors next door is still in session. And so we're coming up. Coming into her 3-car garage. Her beautiful green, or not so green. And she's coming in here.
Hello everyone, friends and family. Welcome to my new home in beautiful North Indio, California.
There's Bailey. Hi, Bailey.
Come on in.
Okay.
Hello, Bailey.
So, why don't we start in the first room, Kenny? This is going to be my office right here. And it's the smallest of the rooms, but it's perfect for me because I'll have my screens here to do my broadcasts, and I'll have my computer and I can look out the window.
Do you have view out there?
And this is the guest bathroom right here. One of my favorite things is this beautiful backsplash that Charles picked out. We love backsplashes. Nice. Here's our shower and tub combination. And one of the things they do in the desert is they make the toilets higher because older people have trouble squatting.
But you need to get the squatting potty.
Yep. So then we have the second bedroom, which is a little bit larger, which Charles is going to use for his office. And there's sliding glass doors and a nice big window, so he can have all kinds of stuff in here, like his recliner.
Okay, Bailey's playing with Mama, Marcia.
And then here's a nice hall closet. I don't know why we need a coat closet, because nobody in the desert is going to need to wear a coat.
That's why you just call it a hall closet and not coat closet.
Right, but we could put
very wide walkway.
You know what we could put in there is our vacuum cleaner. And so I've never had this. My whole life I've had to pay for laundry. I have a laundry room with brand new washer and dryer and a very nice little table.
It's like a mud room as well.
And then they were going to put a doggy wash sink, but we decided not to. Can you see how beautiful this tile is, guys?
And it goes out to the garage.
So we can't open the garage right now, but it's a 3-car garage.
I showed them.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Now this is my favorite room in the house. It's called the Great Room because isn't it great? It's got this gigantic area here. We'll have our television there and our couch here and our dining room table here. Of course, we'll have shutters at some point, and the acoustics will change once we get some furniture in. Our yard isn't huge, but it's covered so we won't get hot because it's north facing, so it'll stay cool. And of course we'll get some landscaping.
Coming outside, a little covered patio. Air conditioning, of course, because it gets hotter than hot.
And then we have this beautiful island here where I can be teaching my cooking classes. We'll get 6 stools to go around. This is, of course, one of my favorite things, a 5-burner stove with double ovens.
Gas stove, too,
and finally gas, and again, a beautiful backsplash. And we love our little knobs because instead of round, we got this kind of knob and this kind of pull. It took about 9 hours to choose everything for the house. One of the things I really love is this sink, because at home I can never clean anything. So the sink is completely open. I can clean things very easily. Oh, did it come with a stopper?
Yes, the stopper's in the drawer.
Oh, it is? Oh, nice. Thanks. Dishwasher, beautiful granite counters. Here's my second double oven. Look at this, guys, a walk-in pantry.
You have 3 of them. You have these 2 and the microwave.
That's a microwave. So very nice walk-in pantry.
You can get in there.
God, we have extra backsplash in here. I wonder what we could do with that. Well, we'll figure something out. And a very nice new side-by-side.
Nice and big.
GE refrigerator. Wow, this is so cool.
And it even has ice in the freezer.
You could fit my entire apartment in the great room, and you'd still have room. So then we have the master bedroom, where the master is going to be.
Hi, Charles.
Hi there. Hello.
And we have this nice bay window, so we're going to be putting our new waterbed here. And I'll be on this side with my little spin bike right here. And of course, we're gonna get shutters by Daniel. He's measuring right now, but it takes 8.5 weeks. But that's okay, because they're gonna give us temporary ones. This is the mat, this is mine. How do I turn this light on? Look at this backsplash, you guys. Isn't this beautiful?
It's all about the backsplash
It's all
today.
about
And
the
these are like a
backsplash.
quartz countertop.
So what would you do with this space right here, Kenny? Like, I feel like something needs to go here. Maybe a
A
family
painting
photo.
or a picture,
Yeah,
something like that.
You know, I
Your
almost
dream board or
I almost wish that this one didn't get. I gotta talk to Daniel about that one window. I almost feel like I want to look out there all the time. Look at this bathtub, you guys. It's so nice.
now you're seeing AJ in the bathtub.
Look at this though, see, because it's finally a tub. My tub at home, it's like this. Look at this. If I lay down, I can be completely immersed. Is this great or what?
Should we turn the water on?
No, not right now. Bailey jumped up. It was so funny. So this is my tub. And what I love is that the toilet is separate.
It has
so
its
if
own
somebody
toilet
wanted
room.
to, if somebody wanted to use the restroom conceivably,
go.
I could still, not a guest. And then look at the shower. The shower is separate. And I have a little seat. A little seat if I want to shave my legs, you know? Isn't this cool that we got a square one instead
So
of a round
tall.
one?
Even AJ can get in there.
And look at this. This walk-in closet is about the size of our bedroom right now. So I'll be able to hang all my LuLaRoe leggings. What's that, Kenny?
That's the entrance to the attic.
Oh, okay. I
Right
didn't
there.
know we had an attic. And look at mirrors on both sides.
Both sides
Isn't
of the
that
door.
cool? So I can look at myself.
Woohoo!
All right. Isn't this beautiful?
Yes.
Kenny is my first guest.
Fire sprinklers and everything.
We haven't even technically closed and Kenny's already visiting. Okay.
Sterling sinks.
Well, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you, Dr. Doug Lyle. I couldn't have done this without his help. I'm a nervous wreck. All right. Take care. Love you. Bye.
That's it from India today. Good night.